Welcome students in 12th math second. Student, we had started topic number first, differentiation. In that we had started exercise 1.1. Already we had completed question number 1 and 2. Now in this video we will see question 3 of exercise 1.1. So let's start. Question 3, first question. Differentiate with respect to x. X square plus 4x plus 1 bracket cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. Here we have to differentiate with respect to x. What we get? dy by dx is equal to, in the RHS we use the formula of x raised to n. That is, we get n into x raised to n minus 1. So you take first step C, differentiate with respect to x, then second step give differentiation to each. In the third step C, we get 3 into x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket square into derivative of again x square plus 4x plus 1 plus second term derivative 4 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket cube into derivative of x cube minus 5x minus 2. So first, as it is 3 into x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket square, as it is into 2x, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 4x is 4 and derivative of 1 is 0 plus next term as it is 4 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket square bracket cube into derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of minus 5x is 5 and derivative of minus 2 is 0. So we get the last answer as 6 into bracket x plus 2 x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket square plus 4 into bracket 3x square minus 5 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket cube. This is our final answer. See fourth example, y is equal to x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 upon x cube plus 3 bracket cube. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, on the RHS, d by dx of x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 upon x cube plus 3 bracket cube. Students, here we use derivative of numerator upon denominator formula. See what is the step? Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. You use the formula. So what we get? Denominator is x cube plus 3 bracket cube into derivative of numerator. Numerator is x cube minus 5 bracket square minus numerator x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 into derivative of denominator x cube plus 3 bracket cube upon denominator square. Okay. Next we get, first you write x cube plus 3 bracket cube as it is, derivative of x raised to n formula use, n into x raised to n minus 1 means 5 into x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 4 into derivative of again x cube minus 5 minus x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 as it is, derivative of x cube plus 3 bracket cube is 3 into x cube plus 3 bracket square into derivative of again x cube plus 3. So next step is 5 into x cube plus 3 bracket cube into x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 4. Derivative of x cube is 3x square and derivative of constant term is 0 minus 3x cube plus 3 bracket square into x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5. Derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 0 upon x cube plus 3 bracket raised to 6. So next step is 5 into x cube plus 3 bracket cube into x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 4, 3x cube minus 3 into x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 x cube plus 3 bracket square into 3x square upon x cube plus 3 raised to 6. So further simplify, you get in the numerator 3x square x cube plus 3 bracket square x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 4 Here get common, then what remains? 5 x cube plus 3 minus 3 x cube minus 5, denominator as it is. Further you simplify, 3x square into bracket x cube minus 5 raised to 4, 5x cube multiply with 5x cube plus 15 minus 3x cube plus 15. So we get 3x square into x cube minus 5 raised to 4 into 2x cube plus 30. Finally you write the answer. In the second bracket 2 is common, so 2 take common. 2 3s are 6x square into bracket x square plus 15 into x cube minus 5 raised to 4 upon x cube plus 3 raised to 4. See next example. Y is equal to log of sec 3x plus tan 3x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log 3x plus tan 3x. Log sec of 3x plus tan 3x. So next step is, what is the derivative of log x? You know, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So the next step is 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x into derivative of again sec 3x into tan 3x. First as it is, see derivative of sec x is gives differentiation to both terms in the bracket, derivative of sec x plus derivative of tan x. Write first as it is into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x into derivative of 3x plus sec square 3x into derivative of 3x. So next step is, first write as it is sec 3x into tan 3x, derivative of 3x is 3 plus sec square 3x as it is, derivative of 3x is 3. So write down, at the numerator we get 3 sec x common into bracket tan 3x plus sec 3x upon sec 3x plus tan 3x. Tan 3x plus sec 3x get cancelled. So final answer is 3 sec 3x. Next see 10th example. E raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Student, here you first simplify. First step, e raised to 2x as it is minus e raised to minus 2x, you write as e raised 1 upon e raised to 2x. Similarly at the denominator. So you take LCM, e raised to 4x minus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1. At the denominator e raised to 2x is there, get cancelled. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e raised to 4x minus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1. Here you use the formula derivative of numerator upon denominator by partial fraction. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. We use that formula. So what we get, e raised to 4x plus 1 into derivative of numerator e raised to 4x minus 1 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. First as it is, derivative of e raised to 4x is e raised to 4x into derivative of again 4x. Derivative of 1 is 0 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to 4x is e raised to 4x into derivative of 4x plus 1 derivative of 1 is 0. So we get next step as e raised to 4x plus 1 as it is into e raised to 4x, derivative of 4x is 4 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 into e raised to 4x as it is, derivative of 4x is 4 and denominator as it is. So next step is 4 into e raised to 4x is common. So what remains, e raised to 4x plus 1 minus e raised to 4x plus 1 upon denominator square. E raised to 4x get cancelled. So final answer is 8 into e raised to 4x upon e raised to x plus 1 bracket square. See the next example. Y is equal to log e raised to x square into bracket 5u minus 4x raised to 3 upon 2 upon cube root of 7 minus 6x. Student, here first we use the rule of logarithm. You know the rule of logarithm. log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So we get y is equal to log e raised to x square plus log 5 minus 4x raised to 3 upon 2 upon cube root of 7 minus 6x. First, next step is, first as it is log e raised to x square, again we use the rule of logarithm. Log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. So we get the step as log of e raised to x square plus log of 5 minus 4x raised to 3 upon 2 minus log of cube root of 7 minus 6x. So next step is log e raised to x square is x square log e plus log x raised to n is n into log of x. So you write 3 upon 2 into log of 5 minus 4x minus 1 upon 3 into log of 7 minus 6x. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square plus 3 upon 2 constant term d by dx of log of 5 minus 4x minus 1 upon 3 constant term d by dx of log 7 minus 6x. Next step is derivative of x square is 2x plus 3 upon 2. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x into, again derivative of minus 4x is minus 4 minus 1 upon 3. 1 upon 7 minus 6x into derivative of minus 6x is again minus 6. So next step is 2x minus 6 upon 5 minus 4x plus 2 upon 7 minus 6x. So our final answer is 2x minus 6 upon 5 minus 4x plus 2 upon 7 minus 6x. Okay. Next example, y is equal to 25 raised to log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 raised to log 10x to the base 4. Here first step you write 25 as 5 square into log sec x to the base 5 and 16 as 4 square into log 10x to the base 4. So next step is 5 raised to 2 log sec square x to the base 5 minus 4 square into log 10 square x to the base 4. You know the property of logarithm. Log of a to the base x to the base a is x. So you use the property, we get sec square x minus 10 square x is 1. Now you differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of constant term is 0. So our final answer is 0. Now see last example, y is equal to x square plus 2 raised to 4 upon root x square plus 5. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square plus 2 bracket raised to 4 upon root x square plus 5. Here you use the formula of derivative of numerator upon denominator, that is denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So we get root x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 2 bracket raised to 4 minus x square plus 2 bracket raised to 4 into derivative of root x square plus 5 upon root x square plus 5 bracket square. Root x square plus 5 as it is derivative of x raised to n into is n into x raised to n. Therefore we get 4 into x square plus 2 bracket cube into derivative of again x square plus 2 minus x square plus 2 raised to 4 as it is derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root and into derivative of again x square plus 5. So we get root x square plus 5 into 4 x square plus 2 bracket cube into x square derivative is 2x minus x square plus raised to 4 upon 2 root x square plus 5 into x square derivative is 2x and constant derivative is 0 upon denominator as it is. So we get next step root x square plus 5 into 4 x square plus 2 bracket cube into 2x minus x square plus 2 raised to 4 upon 2 root x square plus 5 into 2x upon denominator x square plus 5. So you simplify 4 to the 8. 8x into x square plus 2 bracket cube into root x square plus 5 minus in second bracket x into x square plus 2 bracket raised to 4 upon x square plus 5 raised to 3 upon 2. Next step, x into x square plus 5 x square plus 2 bracket cube is common. So what remains? 8 into x square plus 5 minus x square plus 2 upon x square plus 5 raised to 3 upon 2. Further you simplify x into x square plus 2 bracket cube into 8x square plus 40 minus x square minus 2 upon x square plus 5 raised to 3 upon 2. So final answer is x into x square plus 2 bracket cube into 7x square plus 32 upon x square plus 5 raised to 3 upon 2. See the next example. Y is equal to log root 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Here students, you multiply by 1 minus sin x. So we get the first step as log of root 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. So next step is log of, at the numerator, into root 1 minus sin x bracket square upon, at the denominator, a plus b, a minus b, means a square minus b square, 1 square minus sin square x. So we get log of root 1 minus sin x bracket square upon 1 minus sin square is cos square x. So we get next step as log of square root get cancelled, at the numerator 1 minus sin x, and at the denominator cos square root is cos x. So log of 1 minus sin x upon cos x. Okay, so next step is log of, we write sec x as 1 upon cos x and tan x as sin x upon cos x. So we get log of sec x minus tan x. Now you differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to, at the RHS, d by dx of log of sec x minus tan x. So what is the derivative of log x? Log x derivative is 1 upon x. So here x means sec x minus tan x. So next step is 1 upon sec x minus tan x into derivative of again sec x minus tan x. So next step, 1 minus sec x minus tan x as it is. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x minus derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay, so we get at the numerator sec x minus tan x minus sec square x upon sec x minus tan x. Now takes minus sec x common, so we get sec x minus tan x upon sec x minus tan x. Sec x minus tan x get cancelled, so our final answer is minus sec of x. See the next example. Y is equal to log root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Student, here you use the trigonometric formula. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta upon 2, and 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta upon 2. So first step, log root 1 minus cos 3x is 2 sin square 3x upon 2, and 1 plus cos 3x is 2 cos square 3x upon 2. 2 get cancelled, so we get the next step as log sin cube upon cos cube. See, at the numerator there is not cube, there is square term. So we get 2 sin square 3x upon 2 upon 2 cos square 3x upon 2. 2 get cancelled. Sin square upon cos square is tan square. square root get cancel, therefore we get log of tan of 3x upon 2. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of tan 3x upon 2. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, therefore we get 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 into derivative of tan 3x upon 2. So we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of tan 3x upon 2, that is 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 into derivative of tan 3x upon 2. First, as it is 1 upon tan 3x upon 2, what is the derivative of tan x? Sec square x. So we write sec square 3x upon 2 into again derivative of 3x upon 2. So we get the next step as we can write tan as sine upon cos. So we get cos upon sine. Cos 3x upon 2 upon sine 3x upon 2 into 1 upon cos square 3x upon 2 into again derivative of 3x upon 2 is 3 upon 2. So we get here one cos is cancelled. So we get the next step as 3 into 1 upon sine 2 sine 3x upon 2 into cos 3x upon 2 is equal to 3 into 1 upon sine 3x. You know 2 sine theta into cos theta is sine of 2 theta. So 3 into 1 upon sine 3x, and 1 upon sine 3x is nothing but cosec x. Therefore our final answer is 3 cosec 3x. Okay students, so students, today we will stop here. Solve the all question number 3 in exercise 1.1 in your notebook. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.